Let me ask you something. If I gave you a choice between getting $1 million right now or getting a single penny that doubles every day for 30 days, what would you pick? Most people say, give me the million. But what if I told you that little penny would quietly grow into over $5 million? That's the quiet power of compound interest. Something that sounds boring, but it's actually the closest thing to financial magic you'll ever see. And today, I'm going to explain it to you like you are five. Simple, fun, and crystal clear. No jargon, no spreadsheets, just real talk, stories, and examples you'll never forget. By the end of this video, you won't just understand how compound interest works, you'll know exactly how to make it work for you, no matter how old you are or how much money you have right now. So, grab a snack, this one is gonna change your future. Chapter 1. What is compound interest? Let's start with the basics. Imagine a tiny snowball. You roll it down a snow hill. At first, it's just a small little thing. But the more it rolls, the more snow it collects. The bigger and faster it grows. That's compound interest. It's your money earning money. And then that money earning more money. And then that money earning even more money. Let me give you the simple version. If you put $100 in a jar and that jar gives you 10% interest every year, you will get $10 after the first year. So now you have $110. Next year, you get 10% of 110. That's $11, not $10. The year after that, you get 10% of $121. And so on. It's not just your original $100 making money. It's the interest itself making you more money. That's compounding. And just like the snowball, the longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Chapter 2. The Tale of Two Friends. Let me tell you a story about two friends, Maya and Sam. They are both 22 years old. Maya starts saving $200 a month at age 22. She invests it and earns 10% interest every year. She does this for just 10 years, then she stops at 32. Sam, on the other hand, doesn't start saving until he is 32. But then he saves $200 a month, just like Maya, and he keeps going until he is 65. Now let me ask you, who ends up with more money at retirement? Ready for this? Maya, the one who saved for only 10 years, ends up with more money than Sam, even though he saved for over 3 decades. Why? Because time is the secret ingredient in compound interest. Maya gave her money more time to grow. And time beats efforts every single time. Chapter 3. Why schools don't teach this? Now, you might be wondering, if compound interest is so powerful, why didn't they teach us this in the school? Good question. The truth is, most schools don't teach real-world money skills. We learn algebra, geometry, history, and even Shakespeare. But no one tells us how to make our money grow. Why? Maybe because the system isn't designed for you to win. Think about it. Credit card companies, banks, loan providers, they know about compound interest. That's how they make billions off of you. When you are in debt, they are compounding their money on your back. But when you invest, you flip the game. You make compound interest work for you. So, if no one taught you this growing up, don't feel bad. You are learning now, and that's what matters. Chapter 4. The Magic Formula. Let's talk math. But don't worry, I promised this would be like your 5. So, here is the magic formula of compound interest in plain English. Money times time times consistency is equal to wealth. That's it. Here is how to make it work for you. Number 1. Start with any amount, even if it's small. Number 2. Let it grow over time. Don't touch it. Number 3. Add to it regularly. Every month, every week, whatever works. Let's say you start with $500 and add $100 every month at 10% interest annually. In 10 years, around $21,000. In 20 years, around $76,000. And in 30 years, over $226,000. You only invested $36,500. The rest is compound growth. So, what's the trick? You need a long runway, a decent return, 7 to 10%, patience and discipline. Chapter 5. Where to start investing? Okay, so where do you even start? Here are some beginner-friendly places where compound interest can start working for you. Number 1. Index funds. Simple, low cost, long term. Great for beginners. Number 2, retirement accounts like Roth IRA, 401k. These give you tax benefits too. Time plus compounded growth plus tax savings is equal to huge win. Number 3, high interest savings accounts. Not crazy returns, but still better than nothing. Great for emergency funds or short-term saving. Number 4, reinvested dividends. When you buy stocks or ETFs that pay dividends, reinvest them automatically. That's compound interest in action. Just remember, don't panic during market dips. Don't try to time the market. Be consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. Chapter 6. Avoid these mistakes. A lot of people start investing and then mess it up. Here is what to avoid. Number 1, stopping too early. Number 2, withdrawing money too soon. Number 3, chasing quick returns like crypto hype. Number 4, not being consistent. Number 5, letting fear stop you from starting. Compound interest is a long game. Think decades, not days. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. And if you treat it like a get-rich-quick scheme, you'll miss the entire point. Chapter 7. Real life stories. Let me share a story about a janitor named Ronald Reed. He lived frugally, didn't make much money, but he invested slowly, quietly, for decades. When he passed away, he left behind over $8 million. Not because he won the lottery, not because he was lucky, because he let compound interest do the work. That can be you. That can be anyone. No matter your income, no matter your age. Another story, Grace Groner, a secretary who turned a $180 investment into millions. She didn't chase trends. She just held on and let time do the heavy lifting. Final chapter, start today. Let's wrap it up. Compound interest is the most powerful force in personal finance. And the best part, you don't need to be rich. You just need to start. Whether it's $5, $50 or $500, just begin. Open that investing app, set up automatic deposits, pick an index fund, leave it alone. Watch it grow. Don't wait for the right time. The best time was yesterday, the second best time it's right now. So, if you made it this far, congrats. You now understand compound interest better than 95% of people. Now, use it. Your future self will thank you.